Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I will present about additive and additive substance. This lesson is designed for grade 9 second semester. This worksheet learner or LKPD is prepared by Salka Hanifi with the last 3 digits ID numbers is 139. Alright, let's move to hands-on activity. In this LKPDF or learning outcomes, there is a have the determination to make the right decision to avoid additive and additive substances that harm themselves and the environment. The next is learning objective. In this LKPDF have the 3 points of learning objective. There is the first is learners can describe the properties and difference of additive and additive substance. And point 2 is learners can identify the content and impact of additive and additive substance on health. And the last is learners make correct decision in overcoming problems related to additive and additive substance and apply them in everyday life. The next is filling instruction. The first, learners pray according to their respective beliefs, and the second is learners work on the linear activity sheet or LKPD with their groups. Each group consists of 3 people. The next is each group brings 3 samples of food packaging. The next, do each step according to the task, and the last is collect the work report according to the time agreed between the teacher and the student. This is a concept map that can use for this material about additive and additive substance. The next activity is the student is carried this article by scanning the barcode with their phones. After read the article, the student can answer about the 2 questions. There is the first is what do you think will happen if someone consumes food that contains different additive? And the second is based on your experience, what will you do if you get the food contains harmful additive? The next is problem identification. In this part, the student can define about the problem identification that after they have a case study. And they can identify the problem identification by the answer about the 2 questions. There is the first is based on the case study, what are the question areas, and the second is based on the question, what are the possible answers that could be correct. The next is data collection. In this part, the student have to read about the tools and materials and about the work procedure to next activity. And the next step is the result of the work. After the student doing their activity, they can write the answer or the result of the work that can doing before. The next is stimulation. In this part, student must read the article and answer about the 3 questions. There is the first is do you think nicotine in cigarette is harmful to health? And the second is apart from its impact on health, do you think cigarettes have an impact on the environment? And the last is what are you doing about the impact of cigarette on health and the environment? The next is problem identification. In this part, student must to answer about the 2 questions. There is the first is based on the case study. There is in an article, what are the question that areas, and the second is based on the question, what are the possible answer. And next part is data collection. In this part, student must to consist about the tools and materials that need to doing activity and the work procedure. After that, the student can write the result about the work that can activity that they do before it. In here, the student must to record the result whatever there is color change in the paper. After filling the table, the student can write about the result of the work, there is the analysis. They must choose to analyze. The one is based on the observation data obtained. Analyze why there is or is not a change in the turmeric paper and provide a corroborating theory. And next analyze is like cotton in gallons is human lungs. Analyze what will happen to these lungs after being used for smoking. Alright, there is a material about the hands-on activity in this lesson. There is a additive and addictive substance. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.